How to remove email from Roblox account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. Then click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, simply scroll down, click on Settings. After you click on Settings, click on Account Info at the top. In Account Info, there's no one way to simply remove your email. So what you need to do is go to your birthday, click on the pencil icon, make your birthday under 13. After you have made your account under 13, press on continue. And after you press on continue in here, your email will be removed and it will show you parents' email icon. It's not available in my region, but you'll find your parents' email and your recent verified email will be removed. And this is a remove email from Roblox account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.